So on the 11th of June I was at Redhouse, the 1C Coleslaw Freight Class 66 that was going through there. However, my first catch today was 2D86, the 1114's got rail service to Edinburgh from Dunbar with 380-103. And then this is 1E13, the 1140 London North Eastern Railway service to London King's Cross from Inverness with 800-113. Then this is 1SO6, the 1157 London North Eastern Railway service to Edinburgh from London King's Cross with 801-202. Then this is 6S31, the early 1322 turn up at 1203 Coleslaw Freight service to Millerhill SS from Doncaster up decoy with 66849, 7809 and 56302.